I mean, are you there?
Yeah, I'm here.
Okay.
Just give
Okay.
me 1 minute.
Sure,
Yeah,
sure,
Okay.
sure, no problem.
I'm finding some difficulty today. Okay, we were on logical function workbook, right?
Yeah.
In
Yes,
the
ma'am.
previous class. So you guys can
Mm-hmm.
open it and let's finish first that, then we can start the second module.
Yeah, sure. And just one question we were discussing just now
Mm-hmm.
regarding the
Mm-hmm.
videos that you have mentioned last week. We will be having three videos that we need to watch, but we couldn't find them.
Yeah, I did not assign that
Ah,
one. Yeah, I
okay.
will assign that one this week. Yeah, on statistics, right? Yeah, I
Perfect.
will.
Yes.
Yeah,
Thank
I will assign that one today.
you. Perfect.
Okay. We were just looking for that videos, but I couldn't
Okay,
find it. I
okay.
thought.
Yeah. I will give you, if I assign, I will definitely write in the Teams this one is
Uh-huh.
loaded. Actually, I was on leave till yesterday, so
Oh, are you okay? Are you doing better
yeah, I'm
now?
okay. It was my anniversary, so so I
Uh,
was
Oh, I'm
busy in
sorry.
that.
Happy
Okay, happy
anniversary.
belated
Thank you.
anniversary.
It was a 15 years completed, so we on a
Oh, wow,
celebration more
congratulations.
Oh,
More 3 more years to come.
yeah.
I think you have passed one milestone.
Yeah, we have passed one milestone, so
Yeah.
maybe next class you should teach us on that. How?
how to complete
How
the
to, yeah, how
Yeah, no,
to manage
just just
ourselves and
completed
our
2 years.
marriages.
oh, just
Just
completed
completed
2 years.
2 years.
Yeah, 2 years.
Okay, I'm on
It
six
feels
then.
like it feels like 20 years. Okay.
Oh,
Okay, guys. Okay, just we have completed this part, right? Day of week.
yes, we did.
Yep.
Yes. Okay. So let's come to the VLOOKUP now. I'll just give you a basic idea of a VLOOKUP. So what exactly the VLOOKUP does? VLOOKUP is try to look the value in a different table. Okay. So other table. So now we have one table here, like which has a part number, description, and price. Okay. So using a part number, we need to bring in this table the description of respective part number and unit price for respective part number. Okay. So this is the table. First, what we will do it, we first select this table completely
Mhm.
and give the name to this range as a catalog. I have taught you, right, how
Yes.
to give the name to the range. Yeah.
Y-
So you guys can just select that one. First, select first three columns like this. Control Shift and arrow down button and give the name the catalog and enter. So you will be having this range as a catalog.
Okay. Do we have to select all the 3 rows?
First three columns. Okay, first row means first three
Okay.
columns. Control Shift and arrow down. So you will
Okay,
get
selected.
whole data selected. Yeah.
Yeah.
And give the name to this range as a catalog.
Okay. Done.
So this is our table where we are going to find out the part number. The whichever the part number get match, its description will be given to you in this table. Okay. So here we are going to write our formula for VLOOKUP equal to VLOOKUP. So what value we are going to look up? We are going to look up this part number. Okay. So equal to VLOOKUP. Put here lookup value. Okay, done
Hello.
till this? Yeah. Can you hear me?
Yeah, but after you said we look up, I couldn't hear you anything.
Yeah. You need to select the part number, lookup value. What this
Hmm.
formula does, it looks up, right? So which value you want to look up? I want to look this value, the part number, the first part number. Okay. So that is in
Okay.
a B7. Then table array you need to give. So we have that range, right? Catalog. Just select that one.
Mm-hmm.
So catalog is our table array. Column index numbered. So in a catalog, the description adds a second place, second column. So put it second column. And we want approximate match or exact match. So we want exact match.
Approximate means like how would be
It
approximate?
take its, yeah, in the starting like A, B, C, like first two, three words or three. It won't find out for the complete one. If they get the first number also, they will try to start finding. So it will give you a error definitely. But yeah, sometimes in a words we try to find out the approximate, but in a number always find out the exact match.
Okay.
If you don't mind, ma'am, I
Mhm.
just want to ask, what are we trying to do here? Why are we
We are
using we look up? What does that mean?
we look up, see, now this catalog, this database is too huge, okay? Here you need to
Okay.
find out this part number, what all the
Mm,
details related to that part number we are trying to find out from the remaining
mm,
columns, okay? So now you are not going
okay.
to find out that number here like this to search, right? Because this is
Uh-huh.
the
Uh-huh.
less, but you will get the
Okay.
huge data. But you want to find
Uh-huh.
out for one particular value. What will be the
Mm-hmm.
remaining columns or whatever the remaining information which is related to this number. We are trying
Mm-hmm.
to find out that information. Okay, the other column information.
Right.
So
Right.
now we are trying to find out 19232 part number. What is the
Mm-hmm.
description given for that part number and what is the price for that part number we are trying to find out here.
Okay. So here we look up is to look up from the
Look,
reference. Okay,
yes.
we have to look up for the number that is 19 to 32. That is
Hmm.
in the catalog
Catalog,
box.
yes,
Okay,
yes.
and then
From
what does second signifies
second column means description. Here at the second column,
from the
description
second
is there
column?
for that part number, and third column price is that number. Okay, so what are you looking
Okay,
for
okay.
that particular number? So here I am looking for a
Mm-hmm.
description. Here I'll look for the unit price. So we look up,
Okay, okay. So we have to close
this
this
is the
bracket.
lookup value. Yeah,
Enter.
catalog.
Oh God.
Okay,
We'll
and
construct.
then third, here
We'll
is the
look up
third column. Unit price is at what column? It is at the third column.
third column.
So you can just give
We'll
here.
look up number plus. Okay. It is in the which catalog. References catalog. And then it is in the third column. Close the bracket. Enter. 18.94. Correct.
Yeah.
Okay. Got it now.
Yeah, good. So now do it one more time, means you will get used to and then you can just drag it.
Okay. Why is it coming not accessed for 1, 2, 3, 4, 5?
Because it is not there in the catalog. So it is giving you a NA value.
Oh,
So
Okay, okay,
if it is not there in your catalog, then you need to handle the error here, okay? Because this won't look
okay,
nice. So to
okay.
handle the error, we write
Mm-hmm.
a if error comes, okay? We use the if error and write the
Mm-hmm.
VLOOKUP formula inside that.
Mm-hmm.
So same way, whatever you have done, same you do it. And it will ask you what will be the error message. So error message you can write part number, no description for this part number.
Ma'am, in this, what does
Mhm.
false means? Because in my formula, actually I didn't see false, so I didn't write any false there. I wrote VLOOKUP B7 catalog
Exactly.
and 2, but
Mhm.
it came
The-
the same answer.
It's okay because it is by default find out the exact match, but better to write
Okay,
the false because sometimes it won't take it for some values.
okay.
So
And
here we
this we
are
are writing
checking the error. If this value is couldn't find out what message should be come for you. So no
Mhm.
description for this part number we have given. Okay. So for that you can use the if error formula. If error what it does, it try to find out if any error encounters, what will be the message should be given to you. So usually we use the if error when we are using a VLOOKUP. Okay.
Okay.
So you can change your formula and write like this as well. So
Mhm.
from in a starting only you can put if error this inside the bracket and write no unit price found and just drag it. So it will not give you NA, it will give you no unit price found.
It's sorry, just a
Okay.
question. Is
Mhm,
this
mhm.
is because the part number is not allocated there, is not found in there,
Yes,
right?
yes, it is not there in this table.
Yeah.
So yeah, sometimes we need to tackle the errors before it comes only. So what we have done, we have used the if error function here, okay? And whatever our VLOOKUP is doing, that will definitely going to do it inside this, okay? If it comes, it will give you. But if it won't find out, NA was coming for you, right?
Yeah.
So instead of NA, we have just replaced, we want this message should put there.
Okay. How
So
about
we are, hmm, hmm.
yeah, how about if the number is there, but there is no description and there is no unit price? The
Yeah,
unit price description is empty. Mhm.
then also it will give you like this. It will
Okay,
give you empty there. Yeah.
sure. Good.
See, when I have put the 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, there is no space, right? There is nothing, no description has been put here. So automatically it has given you 0.
Yeah. Okay. I'm just having another question. For example,
Mm-hmm.
let's say the first number is 19232. Okay. If this number is being repeated in the catalog and then it's repeated with the different descriptions and different unit price,
Yeah.
uh, which
So
one will be
whatever
pushed?
the first one will come for you.
Mm. Is there a way if even if I have a repeated one here or
it will you will get it that option in the index match. I will explain that one in the
Okay.
last session.
Okay.
Yeah.
Sure.
So
Sure.
that's why we should use the VLOOKUP and why we should not use the VLOOKUP. That you'll understand in the last module.
Yeah. Sure.
In okay. Description, second column. All the exact match. Okay. Column. No.
Hello? Yeah.
Yeah.
Done?
Yes. For me. Yeah.
Sana?
Yeah, I'm just doing for the unit price. Mhm.
Till there are a few files you need to download.
And, no.
Till that time, can download the files, Ibrahim. You go to your canvas.
Hmm?
Here is a download files option are there. Please download this file and this data zip file for the module 2 and this PDF and this text to column.
Okay.
Yeah.
Which one is the first file? I usually download.
In the onboarding, there is a download files option is there
Okay.
that you download.
Okay.
Then module 2, data zip file that also download and unzip all the both the folders.
Okay.
Then download this PDF, download this text to column and keep everything in one folder only.
Okay.
Done?
Ma'am, from
Hmm.
onboarding, we are supposed to download the download file,
Download files folder.
and then
Yeah.
from data, that is done. From data import and cleaning,
Data
unzip
zip
the data
and
zip,
this. Yeah, these two files
MOT,
and data zip.
data zip and MO21.
Not MO21, that not this one, this two.
Okay.
All male female categories PDF and text to column.
J. Okay, done.
Not sure. I'm not able to download the
Unzip.
files. Yeah, the zip
Oh,
file.
okay, no problem. Normal files you are able to do it, right? So I'll upload when whatever the files are required for today.
I mean, I can't even open I mean, I open the zip file for onboarding, but I can't open the files that inside the zip file.
Okay, you need to extract that. You are not getting that option to extract?
Yeah.
Uh, 1 second. Wherever your zip folder is there, you will get the option here. You just right click on your folder, you will get the option of extract.
No, no, I mean in the website, I can't download them from the website itself,
Oh,
from the Canva.
okay, okay,
Yeah.
okay, okay. And then other files, these files,
Okay,
PDF file.
I'm checking now the other files.
Mhm.
Okay. But it's been downloaded as a PDF.
Yeah, yeah. One is PDF. Second one is a Excel file. You can download that also.
From here, also the zip I can download, but from the onboarding, I can download the zip file. Now let's just
Okay.
go. See. I also can open them.
Okay. Onboarding one also you are not able to open, right?
The onboarding only, yeah.
Okay. I'll share 1 second.
Sure.
Okay, one PDF you have downloaded, one text to column you have downloaded, right?
Hmm.
Okay, sample and this. Two more files I have added in the module to download that. Only these four files are required for us.
Okay.
Okay, these four files have needed us.
Okay. For model two, right? The data impact,
Yeah, yeah,
import
yeah.
and cleaning.
Yes.
The sample and
This one, two, three,
break.
four. Yeah.
Okay, the last four. Okay.
Okay. So basically, I'm just going to give you a overview of what is EDA. Okay, so EDA is nothing but the exploratory data analysis. So when you get your project, you have to do this is the first step. As an analyst, you need to do it. This is called as the exploratory data analysis. So we follow some approach to do that one. That is, first step is always describe the data. So how are we going to describe the data, how what will be the descriptive analytics for that particular data which is you are going to receive, that we are going to do it. Then second step is data pre-processing, third step is data visualization, and fourth is data preparation. So that is the analyst role, and then that data will go to the data scientist. Once you keep ready the data after preparation, the data should, this is a different departments work together. So loading a data and bringing the data in the database, creating a pipeline, it's a data engineer's work. So whatever happens in the background, they do it, and then the data will receive by us, that is the analyst, and they do this pre-processing. Like we clean the data, we make the data ready for the preparation by understanding what is the current situation of a business. Once we put that one in front of everybody ki this is the current situation, then we give the basic suggestion which is required to improve the business, and then data scientists will start do the advanced techniques on that, use the machine learning on that, and bring the more insights from the data. Okay, so we only do the current situation work, what is the currently business is working, and what are the insights from that, and based on that, oh my god, one second. Then whatever the data we prepare during our analysis process, we share that data with the data scientist, and then further they do the data modeling on that. We don't do it that one. Okay, our work is only till the data preparation and data visualization. This is the two main things we have to do it. But before that, we need to pre-process the data, we understand the data. Okay, so let's see how you can understand the data. So first, what is EDA? So EDA is nothing but it's a approach where you are going to understand and show the data in a both techniques. One is a non-visual techniques, another one is a visual techniques. Means you are going to use the statistics on your data. You are understanding the mathematically your data. You bring that information, convert that data into the information, and this information will be present in both the ways, non-visual ways as well, and then visual techniques as well. Okay, and then you bring the insights from that. So this is actually a very creative process because you are telling them what business is doing currently, what is the current situation of the business. So means your work is to extract the gold from this data mining. Okay, so you are going to do the, you are actually going to dig that one. So you are going to decide which features are important for your data analytics process, which features are not important. You will get a huge data. You will get a lot of columns in your uh, for analysis. Means you will get everything, but you should decide what is important, what is your problem statement, what is your hypothetical problem. So first you need to come up with uh, two things. One is, one second. So basically, when you will receive the problem statement of your business. Okay. So first you need to understand what is the objective of the business. What is the, what they are trying to find out. So here the business has give you the objective of, they have annual sales report which provide the comprehensive analysis for the sales data for the current year. Okay, and they, this analysis aims to highlight the key performance indicators, so such as order statuses, customer demographics, product performance. So the insights derived from this report will enable VMART to make informed decisions that drive growth and optimize the strategies for upcoming year. Okay, so they will tell you which key areas you need to focus, and then if they are not telling, you need to dig into that. You need to find out, okay, what key areas, what are my key performance indicators are there in this given data. I need to focus on that. You need to create a hypothetical problem statement there. You need to decide what exactly you are going to find out. So you need to be focused there. Otherwise, what will happen? The unnecessary lot of columns will be there in your table. You don't need those columns for your analytics or finding a insight. You need to focus, okay, I am going to focus on the customer behavior. I am going to focus on the product trends. I want to check the what is the order status analysis for this particular. So you don't need the whole data there. You need a few features there, few columns there, right? So first your work is to find out what is a analytical problem statements for your uh, analysis or for your project. So you need to create a analytical questions there. You need to ask those questions, and these questions are nothing but the hypothetical problem statements. You are going to create a hypothetical problem statement which will be H0 and H1. We say that one H0 and H1. Okay, so one is saying the answer for that yes, another one is no. Okay, so two kind of a questions you are going to create there, that you will understand when we will do the statistic part. Okay, so basically the first thing is to describe the data, means understand your data. So you will get the huge data there, and this data will come up with two things. One is a data dictionary and second is a data set. So this is the actual data you will receive, and you will receive the data dictionary. So data dictionary is a give you a basic idea of your whole data. So now you have a data, what you are going to understand this one. Okay, you will check also each and every column. You don't know what this is SKU. What is SKU? Okay, I am not able to understand in this case situation what is SKU. Okay, so sometimes the data will be in this format, you will not able to understand what each column mean for there, what exactly this column is doing. So in that case, the data dictionary will be provided to you to understand what this field name, what is its description. So now for me, the SKU is nothing but stock keeping unit, a unique identifier for each product. So now I know what is SKU, right? So they will give you a dictionary, they will give you a data set, and they will give you a basic, means first page of this, I can say, uh, what will be the objective of this project, what they want from you, what kind of insights you should bring from this problem. Okay, so your work starts from here. Your first work is to describe the data. So describe the data is so in a describe a data, what we do, we know the problem statement or business objective. First step is to understand the problem statement and then business objective. Second is load and view the given data. So this given data you need to load in your particular tool. So if you are using a Excel, you can load in a Excel. If you are using a Python, load this data in the Python. If you are going to use the Power BI directly, load your data in a Power BI. Or you are going to use the SQL Server, load your data in a SQL Server. So different tools are there. First, then second step is to load the data. Once you load and view the given data, check the relevance of the data against the objective or goal to be achieved. So for second, third step is scope of the data, time relevance of the data, quantum of the data, and features of the data. So features are nothing but your number of columns which are given to you. Those called as a features. So what features are given? How they are relevant to your problem statement. Okay, so now my first problem statement is customer behavior. So what kind of a data is given me related to the customer? So I have a customer ID, I have a customer gender here. I know it's his age or her age. Okay, so I know these three things related to the customer. So you need to divide those things. Okay, customer related, I have a three things. Even I know in which city the customer stay, which is the shift state for the customer. So these all the things you are getting. So customer related, what this information is there, you need to look that one. What features are talking about the customer. Next is the product trends. So product trends, what kind of a features are given to me? So you need to understand first data, understand the scope of the data, see the time relevance of the data. So whatever the timeline is given to me in this format, it is correct or not. Now they have told already in the 2022 the data is that. So check it. Okay, the time is relevant to this. So I have a full data for the 2020-22. So yes, my data is relevant to my timeline. As mentioned in the problem statement, in the current year 2022, the data is related. So like that, you need to check the relevance of the given data, which features are important that you take it, which features are not important, you can delete it. Okay, if you don't, you think it's not required for your analysis purpose. Okay, next is understand each features in the data with the help of a data dictionary. So you will be given the data dictionary, so you need to match. Okay, so like I have a gender. So gender is a categorical data type and I have only male and female, but in my column the data is women and men. Okay, so total four are there. So first, what you need to do it, you need to first bring it all W and women in a one category. That is a female category, and M and men both should be in a male category. Okay, so let's do that one. For that, I am going to find and replace. Going to use the find and replace. So I'll choose the replace. What I need to find out? I need to find out M. Okay. And I want to replace that one with a male. First find all. So it will give you a idea. So you can see women also, the value of women also it is coming here. Okay, because the M is there in women also. So you need to check the entire match the entire cell content. So now again find all. So only all the M has come. So you can see the here also the size is also there M. So let's see the match case. So I am getting the size in a size as well, and I am getting in this part as well. So I don't want M should get now replaced, because if I replace the M, my this column also will get replaced now. So I only want in this column it should get replaced. So you need to find out the options for that. So within the sheet, search by rows first, search by columns, okay, and formula. Now try to find all. So now I can see my this column has been selected, right? So you just need to select the proper settings here first, make it, and then replace it. So I am going to replace now only in this column. Whatever M's are there, it should replace with the male. Okay. So replace all. Okay. No, it didn't replace. It's not working.
It's replaced in the sizes too.
Yeah, yeah. It has replaced in a sizes too. We don't want that one.
So after, if we don't want that, if we do Control Z, it will
Yeah,
go away.
control. Yes, yes, yes. I have choose by columns, but still it is not working.
Maybe you can tick the match entire cell.
Mm-hmm. I have taken, but still it is not coming. Let's see.
How about match case?
Yeah, match case we will do it. That is the second option for us.
Mm,
But in this, it is showing me in all D column only, but
Yeah.
I don't know why it
Can you
is doing
لا,
for.
yeah, can you unselect this match
Yeah,
entire cell and select?
okay.
match entire cell content is telling.
Yeah.
Oh,
Mm.
it's
Still.
in movement here.
No, it will come. We need to do that one because otherwise it will not find out, find all. It is showing the D cell only, but still why it is,
Mm.
because I have choose the search by column option. Now it is showing in, okay, find all. In this the K is also showing, so that's why. Okay. Earlier it was not happening like this. I don't know why today is taking. So if I replace one by one, it will work, looks like.
Or maybe select the just male and this one, and you can replace them easier.
Yeah, till this I have done. So, okay, one by one, if you do it, when it reached to here, I stopped. So all the M has been replaced now with a male, and then now main also we need to replace with a male. So we don't want it should be in a woman or man. I'll show you this part again in the project time. So
Mhm.
I'll find out why exactly why it is showing me today like this. So now we have a category of male and main. So we can replace the main now with the male. So we should be careful while replacing as well because there are other things also are there. Means other words are also there. So we should be make sure ki while doing we are doing this correct values which are getting replaced. Otherwise, other values also will get replaced and we will not able to understand that one. Okay. So now we have
Mhm.
all M and men in a male
Me.
category. So make sure the data which is given to you, it should get match. The dictionary should get match with your this column because at the end this data is going to again load it in their database. So whatever cleaning
Okay.
process you are doing, it should do based on the data dictionary which is provided to you. Okay. That was the purpose to tell. Next is know the central tendency and data distribution of each feature. So first we need to know the what is the exactly the data in a mathematical way. So if data is in a more categorical, we try to visualize that one. Data is in a mathematical, we try to find out the summary for that. So that is we call as the 5 number summary. 5 number summary is nothing but mean, median, mode, standard deviation, and quantity means count we say. Okay. So these 5 numbers are more important for us to understand how the data is there. Data is normalized or not, data is spreaded properly or not, data is spreaded more right side or left side. Everything we'll understand just by seeing these 5 numbers that we are going to understand in our statistics method. Okay. So this is the first step which you need to do it to do understand and describe the data. Know the problem, load the data, check the relevance and understand the features with the help of data dictionary and understand the data with the help of statistics. So first step, know the problem, it's easy. That and the last step is related to the statistic which we will do it in the next class, and load and view the given data, which is I'm going to explain you now. So how you are going to load the data? First, you need to open Excel, empty Excel. You guys can open with me. Okay. In a files already downloaded in your laptop, I'll just show you. You need to go to the data. Go with me only. You will get here a option get and transformer data. Okay. So you can load the data from the file. So there are multiple options are there. First, we are going to use the PDF file. So from PDF file, it will ask you where is your data is there. Just go to that folder wherever the PDF file you have downloaded and select that PDF file. also have to download.
Um, uh, which file are we trying to open up in this? All male,
PDF file.
female categories.
Yes, yes. Just go get data from file, choose the option from PDF, go to that folder wherever your file is there, select that file and click on the import.
Data
So
from
it is
access.
connecting now. Just
Yeah.
so you will get a option of the Power Query where left side you will get a lot of tables. Okay, so this file is a huge file and it has a lot of data in a multiple tables are means columns are there, and then tables are getting created based on the number of pages. So each page will be considered as a one table. Okay. So there are a lot of pages are there, 431 pages it is taking. And now you need to take it, whichever the data is required, only that page you are going to take it, not whole data you are going to take it. Okay. So I required the page number 6. So I'll just preview that one. Okay. And I will check, okay, my all 8 columns are here. Okay, I'm going to load this data. Then you can just click on the load. You cannot, right now, you cannot select the multiple. If you want to select the multiple items, you just need to select this, select multiple items. Okay. And then you can load the multiple tables together. If you don't select this one, you will allow to only select one of the table, that one. Okay. So right now I'm only selecting one table. If you want to select the multiple items, you can just click on this and select the multiple tables and load it. So which tables you required based on your understanding, you can select that one and load. Click on the load.
Ma'am, in my thing, I have just four options like from Access, matlab data from Access, from web, from text, from other sources. But in from other sources, I have from SQL Server, from analysis services, from Windows Azure Marketplace, from OData
Mhm.
data feed, from XML data
PDF is not
import,
there.
not there.
Okay. Fine. This is the latest version of the Excel. So,
Okay, ma'am.
but you should know how to do. Okay, so just click and load it. Why this is not getting, it's loaded for you, Ibrahim, because
Yes, it's loading. Now it's loading.
okay.
Oh, yeah, it's been loaded. Yeah. Should I click on after loading it on what?
Yes, yes, yes. Just load it that.
Okay.
So it's taking time, but you will able to see the how we see in normal Excel, and the data will get comes in the table format in a columns and rows format.
I didn't see them. It's been already loaded, but I don't see them on the Excel sheet.
Mhm. Actually, we have choose you have choose the multiple option.
Yeah.
Yeah. So one by one, it's getting loaded because our is not that powerful Excel, right? So actually, the paid version will allow you to do all these things. But yeah, uh, that option is not giving. If you click on this,
Hmm.
uh, it comes to the Power Query, but it is not. It is not coming in the. If you drag it also, just try to drag this. It shows you like this, and here is in a view in a worksheet. That option is not coming. It's
Mm.
taking a time to load it. But you try with a one table only. If single table is there, it is getting loaded like this.
Okay. Let me.
Again,
I will
yeah,
delete the rest.
yeah. Again, you can try it.
Okay.
So in a worksheet, it's taking a time. So when we need to edit that data, you can just go to the Power Query and do all the changes, what column you want, what column you don't want in your data. You can just do the pre-processing there and then load the data, which is not happening right now. But yeah, my table one directly when you loaded, it worked. So you can just try to select only one table and try to load it.
Okay.
Sana, you can try it for the text file, which we have a text file here, sample one txt file, right?
Okay.
Just click on that, import. This text file has a delimiter as a tab. If you first open the text file normally, just see what is the text
Okay.
file is given, how it is looking.
It's like
So this is your, yeah,
the
this is your
limited.
text file. Yeah. So
Yeah.
delimiter is tab here, not a space. You can see here the space, but
Yeah.
it's not a space because this is uneven space. It's not a same space. Here is a more, here is a less, here is a less. So
Yeah.
actually this is a tab delimiter, means when typing a data, they have used the tab after every column. So it
Okay.
automatically identified by the Excel, but if Excel doesn't identify text as a space, so it will show you like that key data is in only one column. But you know there is a four columns, means the space is not
Yeah.
a delimiter here. So tab is a
Yeah.
delimiter, you can choose the tab. If there is a semicolon, the data is separated by a semicolon. So you can choose the semicolon, but here it's not a semicolon. Here is not a comma as well. It is a tab. So
So we
you
have
can,
to choose the file type that best describes your data.
yeah,
That first thing
yes,
is delimited, that characters such as commas or tabs separate each field, and the next one is
yes,
fixed width. That means
yes,
if the fields are aligned in columns with spaces
yes.
between each field. So as we have tabs, so for that I need to select delimited, right?
Hmm.
I'm sorry. Which one is that you chosen to get this data?
Uh,
Is it PDF or Excel or?
uh, this one done for you. PDF
Yeah,
is done.
this one is already done. Yeah, I have
Okay,
it.
just go from text. Okay,
Hmm?
file is the sample txt file.
Okay, okay,
Select
got it.
that file. Yeah.
All right.
So here you will get the option file origin, delimiter, data type. Okay, so we are using a delimiter here tab because our data is separated by a tab. Okay, each column is separated by a tab. Then you can use the tab here. Okay,
Okay.
and load that data.
Mhm.
We'll get
Yeah.
the data from the text file. First, we learn data from the PDF. Now we have done with the data from the text file.
Okay.
Even you have a CSV file as well. So this is your comma separated file, the second one. You can see here Microsoft Excel comma separated value files. So this is a rating of review. So you can choose that one also. That is called as the CSV file,
Okay.
comma separated value file. So it is also, you can see here the delimiter has been changed now. It has taken as a comma.
Okay.
Ma'am, the next part is after selecting the delimiter, that is tab. When we go next, it is asking me column data format, general, text, data, or do not import column. What shall I select?
Can you share your screen because it's different for you, right?
Yes,
Just
one
share
second.
your screen 1 minute. Let me check. Yeah, you can preview, right? So it is showing in a general only. You can go. Go and next
Okay.
finish.
What select how you want to view this data in your workbook. Existing worksheet.
Yeah, okay. Yeah.
Okay. This one. No. Okay. Um, access.
Okay, so I have showed you with the text file, with PDF, with CSV file. One more is you can connect your database to your Excel and upload. So right now you don't might be having a database server at your laptop. So I will show you how to do that one. So you should just know the name of your server and you need to connect your server with the Excel. So for that you need to go to the get data from database from SQL Server database. So I'll just click on that. I have just on my SQL Server. So it's getting on. So your server should be on that time and you should know the name of your server. This is the server name. You just need to give the two information in your Excel. I'll again show. You just need to go to the get data from database from which database server you are using. Just click on that. Okay. And you just need to put the name of the server here. So server name is, and if you know the database also name, you can use that is optional, but server name is compulsory. Click on OK. So your server or whole data set will be shown to you, your server. I have right now only two. So you can choose your database and select the table which one you want to load it here. And once you select the data table, you will see whole data here and just load that one. So in short, you need to connect your Excel with your server of your database, select the table and load that particular table here. Okay, got
Yep.
it? Yeah.
Yes.
So you are able to load the data. So first step, you guys have able to do it now. The next step is to describe the data. So we are going to learn how you can do that one in a mathematical way, and how what are the missing values and how to replace the missing values. Okay. So that we will do it in the next class. So that's it for the today. See you on Tuesday. Are you? Yeah, I wanted to ask you. Will you be available next Tuesday, Ibrahim, or not? So I can make it.
Yes.
You
Yeah,
will be
next
there, right?
Tuesday I'll be there.
Okay.
Just give me a second. Let me just double check on this.
Mhm. Okay. Okay.
Yeah, next Tuesday I'll be available, but on Thursday, I'm not sure on Thursday, next week Thursday. And
Okay.
just
Mhm.
suggesting if we can have like sessions on, I mean, I don't mind on Saturday or Sundays. So because next week I will be a bit busy, but on Tuesday, yeah, I'm available.
Next week, all mornings I'm available. I'm free. I don't have any sessions. My course will get over for the other batch by tomorrow. So Saturday is fully packed. So Saturday and Sunday both the batches are going on. So
Mhm.
Saturday is most probably not possible. Yeah, weekday anytime you can say me. So now weekday is mornings are free for me from the next week. So
Okay.
any two days you can tell. Sana, it is fine for you as well, right? Mornings.
Um, no, ma'am, because from most probably from December 1st, my timings would be changing, so I won't be available till 11 a.m., 11 p.m. in the
No, no,
night from
this same
3.
timing. Same timings for all the days.
Yeah, I won't be available. I
Okay,
would be
just
at work because my schedule will be changing. I need to update it 2 months.
okay, okay. So you guys just message on the WhatsApp your
Okay.
availability for the next week. So accordingly, I will try to arrange the classes. Okay.
All
Okay.
right.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay.
So Tuesdays is fixed, right? Next Tuesday is fixed right now.
For me, yeah. I mean,
Yeah.
I'm okay.
Yeah.
Okay. Sana, yours also you confirm. Okay. So
Okay, okay,
I'll,
I'll just confirm.
yeah, yeah. Okay.
And also on Wednesday, I'm available the same time if in case, yeah, you wanna guys.
Yeah, yeah, yeah,
Okay.
yeah. Okay. Thank you. See you on
Thank you,
Tuesday.
ma'am.
Yeah. Yeah.
Thank you.
Bye.
Bye bye.
Have a good day. Bye.
You too. Bye.
Bye, bye.